Ko Matariki te tauhou Māori. Matariki is the Māori New Year. It's a time to reflect, to make kai, to think about your community, and look forward to the new year ahead. A simple way to celebrate Matariki is to share kai. When we make kai for other people, something special happens.
And do not fear, it's a one-bowl recipe.
Over the week, we have made 420 double chocolate muffins to give away to the community.
Would you like some chocolate muffins?
This is the second year that Pams and WhānauKai have taken the time during Matariki to create kai for this hapori.
Beautiful work, guys. That looks amazing as well.
It is a simple way to show aroha, to show manaaki, and share our love of baking and
Here
kai.
we go, you guys. Ka pai. Look at how beautiful.
There has been
mahi.
many hands all helping this kaupapa work, and it's been beautiful to have our friends from PAK'nSAVE Māngere, New World Papatūānuku, and a beautiful whānau from Foursquare and St Heliers. They all took part, mucked in, and helped make this kaupapa come alive. We have created a beautiful tradition which we hope carries on. Matariki is unique to Aotearoa and is something that all of us living here can celebrate together.